Hi guys, back with me again in the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to search for movies or shows on Netflix. So you can search on TV shows or movies, and you can search by the language type, the names of the movie or the genre, the audio or video quality, and etc. And I'm going to show you how. So this, I've already opened my Netflix on my phone, and to search the movies, just go to the search column at the top, click on this, and then you can search. For example, I want to search by the name of the title itself. For example, Money Heist, like that. Or probably you want to search for a movie, The Age of Adeline, for example. It will show up at the top results. And you can also search by the names of the actress or actor. For example, I want to search Jennifer Aniston. As you can see, the top result will show up like this, with shows or movies starring Jennifer Aniston. Or you can also search by the language type, for example, French TV movies, like that. Oh, okay, sorry, French language TV movie. It will be show up like this. I want to search by genre, for example, action. As you can see, the top result will show up. Will show the action movies or shows. And last, I'm gonna search by the audio or video quality, UHD, for example. So like this, it will show up the movies or show with UHD quality. Okay, so that's all for me. It's so easy, right? If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And that's it from me today. See you guys next time.